Alright, so we're doing the loan project day 1. Here's a demo of how to get started. So the first thing we need to do is create a title. So you're going to click right here A1 and drag to E1. Then you will hit this button right here, merge and center. That just makes it all one nice big slide. You'll title it with your name. You'll say loan project. Next step, we gotta start putting in the titles for the chart. So we'll put in loan amount. Notice my cell starts to kind of go over B2, so I'm gonna adjust this cell right here. If you go between A and B, see the little black cross it makes, you can adjust the cell. And then I'll continue on with the other titles. Look at your chart on the piece of paper. You should see kind of what these titles should be. And then we'll do total payment method amount. Monthly installment. 5 years. Okay, now we got our titles. Then you'll see you got to put in a couple of numbers. 10,000 is the first one. Put in that, and you can just make a little black cross at the bottom right corner right here with your cursor. Click and drag it down, and that will save you some time. I'm going to change this to be money. So click on the cash sign while you have it highlighted. It'll change those slides to be money. The interest rate. 0.5. And a couple more, I'm almost done. Interest rates, you got those, and they got number of times compounded. And 52, 4, 12, 52, 4, 20. Alright, now for total repayment amounts, we're going to have to put in an equation. So we're going to tell the Excel to do an equation by putting equals first. Then the equation we're doing is the compound interest formula. So I'm going to say my initial amount is 10,000. I do A3. You hit Shift 8 to do a multiplication symbol times the, let's see, so open up parentheses. We'll say our 1 plus my interest rate divided by, so I hit slash 4, close the parentheses, then I'll hit Shift 6. You can do the caret symbol and hit Shift 6, and we'll say the number of times compounded again times 5. I'm doing 5 years. You notice in E2 it says 5 years is how we're looking at. And then I'll close it. That tells me the amount, total repayment amount, that formula right there. And then if I do the black cross again and click and drag it, it'll copy that formula for the rest of these. So now I'll have to do that formula one time and I'm done. For monthly installment for 5 years, there's 12 months in every year, and there's 5 years, so that makes it 60. So you're going to divide your total repayment amount by 60 months. That'll tell you how much you pay per month. So in this case, I pay $193 change every month if I need to pay back this $10,000 loan. And then I will scroll that down, and then you see kind of how it increases as your interest rate gets higher. You get a higher monthly payment, even though it's the same amount of loan you're taking out. And that's it.